tip number one is... Just kidding. Tip number one is... computing. No, I'm just gonna throw out the tips as I think about them. So you want to get some window covers like this? Well, this is a easy one, right? It's like for the dash, but you want to get the ones that cover the sides too, right? So for the sides, if you're in a fucking car like I am, a Model 3, then you throw these on the sides like this. This is actually the wrong side, but it's okay because they both work for the opposite side, sorta. But see, I fucking broke the fucking suction cup here, so this shit, I finger it every night. That's how I fall asleep at night. Make sure you finger it correctly. Wait, can't even find it. What the fuck? Oh. See, everything's reverse in camera, and that's what I'm looking at right now, not my finger. Okay. Should just look at my finger, but I want to make sure it's in the camera. Sorry you had to see that, you know? Mom, Dad, sorry for your grievance. I'll give you a moment to... give a moment of silence. Okay, moving on. We got all that. What else, bro? Oh, get you a cup. This cup's kind of new, so it's really not that bad looking, so I'll show you it. It's like 1 time or 2 times max of like backwash, which is what you put in this. This is like brush your teeth, spit in this motherfucker. Yeah, that's another tip. Get a fucking one of these, because then you don't have to spit out your door. Bro, I started as a sleeping out of the car MF-er, and I was fucking spitting out the door everywhere I went. And I was like, this is gonna get me in trouble one of these days, because just statistically, spitting out the door, someone's gonna see you at some point. Some person's gonna run up on you with a knife and cut your tongue off and spit outside the door, bro. So, not wanting that to happen, get one of these motherfuckers. And then you spit inside this. Like, watch this. Oh, pro tip. Lean it part way. Spit on the, and then aim for the plastic, not the water. Not the fluid. So, then it's like, you know, it's like how you fill beers, if you know how to fill a beer. But anyway, even if you know how to fill a beer, it doesn't always work, but it usually does. If the beer wasn't mixed up ahead of time, it usually would, but... You didn't come here for beer tips. You came here for car sleeping tips, so... Oh! I'm also a master at slapping myself. Just kidding, I'm not a master at all. But I've done it a few times, so... Make do with what we've got. But basically, we gotta hit up them honeys, and that's what you gotta do every day in, day out. Otherwise, you get bad at hitting up the honeys. So you gotta hit up the honeys. When you hit up the honeys, you might sometimes find the bee sting. Just kidding. That was just a transition to the next stage. And the next stage was, get an electric car. Get an electric car. Hang on. Oh, I can't turn it backwards, damn it. So I can't see the camera right now, so I'm totally guessing where it is. It could be too far over to the steering wheel. Could be right on track. Could be here. I don't know. This is my best guess of right on track. Because with the electric vehicle, check this out. This is the temperature. Click that. Press camp. Boom. Got camp. Press auto. Oh, shit. Pull it back up, press auto, then it circles the air within, stays on all night until you hit 20%. So basically, you hit 20%, it's GG. So don't let it hit 20% if you're trying to sleep all night. Like 42%, that might be enough for a full night if you fall asleep right away, but like I like to go for 50% usually if I'm going for 8 hours of sleep. But 42% will last you a nice 4-6 hours. It'll last you probably 8 hours, 8-10 hours maybe. But it's not going to go much past 10 hours if it even hits that. It's going to be like 8-9 hours, I feel like, at 40, yeah, especially 41. It depends. It depends on what temperature it is, because that's how hard it has to work. So, it is what it do be. And from that, oh, we also got, you know, we got dash cams built in. Hell yeah. I mean, I had to install, can I actually even show you? No, I can't even show you, but anyway, ignore the 77 parking tickets in my glove compartment, sure, or my median compartment, whatever the flippity jip-jack, flapjacks you want to call this. But yeah, dude, the camp mode is everything, but other than this, you don't really need anything else on an electric car. So as long as you don't have to worry about temperature, then might as well get an ICE vehicle. However, everywhere in the U.S., you have to worry about temperature at some point, probably. Now, Washington might slightly be the like, you could slip by. Washington doesn't get too hot, even during the summer. So Washington's, like, sick for car dwellers. I've never done it there, but I hung out there, like, 2 years before I car dwelled. And car dwelling, Janet Yellen. There we go. That one. And then we got 2 Encinitas honeys walking. Oh, they're like 38-year-old honeys. Oh, they could be even 42-year-old honeys. And I'm sorry, I'm not showing them again, because if I show you them, then they show you me. But when they're walking away, I can probably get it. If they're not looking back. Which, honestly, they are not looking back, so you could see for a second. But, anyway, fuck it. Is that even legal? Who gives a fuck? Alright. Oh, part 2 is way too long. Alright. Well, that's part 2. Enjoy. Went on a ramble. You learned a couple things. Make sure you get some plastic cups for your spitting your toothbrush bullshit. Or metal cups if you're really good. If you're really good, get a metal cup. It's better for the environment. I have metal cup. I tried. It's a bit pain in the ass to wash. Pretty much I don't like washing shit while I'm in the car. If you have a van, if you have a big ass water system, then fucking hats off to you, bro. Alright.